Zindaba zesiNdebele sizirhatsha bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wezorhatsha eOakland Park eJohannesburg asiqalele izikhamba phambili namhlanje.
We have recorded a reduction in terms of the murders for the current quarter. That is a reduction of 757 when compared to the previous comparable period.
By 6,503 abantu ababulewe kwenyanga ezintathu ezidluleko hlangana nenyanga uSewula nobayeni womnyaka opheleleko.
Result in terms of the DNA, they are not conducting within us. They are conducted in Pretoria, but we are still waiting for them. We sympathize with the community.
Uhulumende weMpumalanga ubawa isikhatshana sokusebenza ngokuhlola kwendumbu zabantu ababhubhele engozini yeMpumalanga ngemva kwesililo sokuthi sesikhathi khulu imndeni ilindile.
Students were given 5 days training, which is a week's training, and relating to security.
If there are such allegations, they need to be brought to our attention.
IDA yeMpumalanga ithi abogada abavikela umphakathi ebulelisini ababekwe ukuthi basebenze ema-police station ahlukahlukene kumnyaka opheleleko abasebenzi kufuze bakusebenze. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba goduke SABC1 ngesiNdebele lotshani emakhaya. By 6,953 abantu ababulewe kwenyanga ezintathu ezidluleko hlangana nenyanga uSewula nobayeni womnyaka opheleleko. Isibalo siphunguke ngabantu abayi 757 kusenamnyaka ka2023 ngesikhathi esifanako. Uthena akakhupha imbalobalo zobulelisi zekota yesithathu yomnyaka opheleleko. Ungqongqotjhe wezamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu wabala eGauteng, iKwaZulu-Natal, iMpumalanga Kapa neTjingalanga Kapa njengemfunda ezinembalo eziphezulu zabantu ababuleweko.
Ungqongqotjhe Mchunu uthi imfundo ezinesibalo esiningi sabantu neziminyene khulu ngize zibe nezehlakalo eziningi zokubulawa kwabantu mhlangana nenyanga uSewula nonobayeni womnyaka opheleleko.
For the third quarter, all provinces recorded a decrease in murder cases, making a significant milestone in our national crime reduction efforts. However, Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal remain the highest contributors to the overall national murder figures, accounting for 25.0%, 21.4% respectively, followed by the Eastern Cape at 18.9% and Western Cape at 17.4%.
Bulili nezokubethana okuvamileko ngizokwaphela izenzo isigubhu nge-1.5% ne-6.6% ngokulandelana. Izehlakalo zokubulawa kwabantu zehle nge-9.8%, zokukhahlumezana ngokomseme nge-2.0%, zokulinga ukubulala nge-3.3%. Kanti lezi zokubamba ikunzi zehle nge-6.0%, kanti zokubamba ikunzi okukhambisana nokulimaza zehle nge-13.1%.
Tables indicate that we have recorded a reduction in terms of the murders for the current quarter. That is a reduction of 757 when compared to the previous comparable period. And one thing that I would also like to mention is that this is the highest decrease in terms of the murders since the lifting of the lockdown restriction across all the quarters.
Kata ehle nge-3.3% ukuhlorisana ngokomseme akhuphe nge-3.5%, kanti izenzo zokulinga ukukhwatshalaza zehle nge-3.2%. Amacala okuthathela abantu inkoloyi ehle nge-19.5%, ukubamba ikunzi nokugqekezela abantu endaweni abahlala kizo ehle nge-1.6%.
Per capita for the rapes, the province with the highest rapes was the province of the Eastern Cape. Eastern Cape, as you might have noticed, it was also the highest per capita in terms of the murder.
Ungqongqotjhe Mchunu uthi nanyani imbalo zamacala okubulawa kwabantu ziveza umkhothonyako ukuthi kubikwa izehlakalo ezingaphezulu kwama-70 zokubulawa kwabantu ngelanga ezenzeke ehlangana nenyanga uSewula nonobayeni womnyaka opheleleko. Uthi imbalo lezi ziveza into eyenzeke kwamambala.
IDA eMpumalanga ithi abogada bavikela umphakathi ebulelesini ababekwe ukuthi basebenze ema-police station ahlukahlukeneko umnyaka opheleleko abasasetshenziswa ngefanelo. Ihlangano le ithi kunokuthi basize ekulweni nobulelesi bazihlalela ngaphasi kwemithi nofana bahlanze izinkolo zamapholisa. Njenge IDA ithi ifuna impendulo eminyangweni wezokuphepha komphakathi nezevikeleko eMpumalanga ngomsebenzi wabogada.
Kwaba lihlelo elikwakwazelwa amahlangothi wonke kuthiwa lizokusiza ekulweni nobulelesi. Ilutsha eliyi-200 lathathwa labandulela ukuba bogadi abalwa nobulelesi. Inyanga epheleleko bathunyelwa ema-police station kanti kunezwango batsho ukuthi abogadi aba akhange babandulwe ngefanelo. Kuthiwa sebabandulelwa imfundo zokuba bogadi kwaphela begodu akhange banikelwe nejinifomu. IDA ithi idanile ngalokhu.
Prevention wardens were given 5 days training, which is a week's training, and relating to security. So grade E and grade D level security training, and now they're being asked to do policing, do oversights and raids with the police, and definitely they are not ready and not capacitated to be able to do the work that they've been that they need to now do.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi nezevikeleko uziphikile insolo ze-DA uthi abogadi laba basazokuthwasiswa ukuya phambili.
As part of training them, we needed to expose them to the environment in which they will work. This includes, of course, the police stations. However, we are adamant that if there are such allegations, they need to be brought to our attention so that investigations are done.
Ukufika kwabogadi laba kwamukelwe emabhizinisi kunye nekoro yezivakatshobukelo begodu bathi bazimisele ukubasiza.
Employment would be an asset to us, and with our integrated security program that started off as tourism safety, this will be a very nice fit if we can become involved with the management of this asset in particular.
Ngohlelo leli bekuhloswe ukuthi kuliwe nobulelesi kunye nokuhlayela kwemisebenzi elutsheni. Abogadi aba bahola i-3,500 rand ngenyanga, ikontraga yabo ngeminyaka emibili. IDA ithi laba bathome ihlelweli baphahazelile akhange balihlele kuhle.
Namhlanje lilanga lenitshabatshama lilimi lokubelethwa. Ilangeli litsheja indima elinywa amalimi ekuphakamiseni ukusebenzisana begodu nokukhambisa ilwazi nokulonda amasiko. Okuqakatheke khulu kusetshenziswa kwamalimi wesintu nokwathuthukisa enkundleni zokuthindana. Namhlanje sikhulumisana nosihlalo webhodi yamalimi iPansal besifundeni seMpumalanga uDr Judas Mkwena. Dr Mkwena, siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Ilanga lanamhlanje nawulihlathulela umuntu wekhaya litsho ukuthini ngamalimi wesintu? Siba ukuncancabeza ngalokho kodwa ke sisaragela phambili nendaba zethu. Kanti esikhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi yini oyithandako ngelimi lakho nokuthi ulithuthukisa kanjani nakumbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Mina ngizithakazisa kakhulu ngelimi lami, ilimi kwisiNdebele, ilimi engalimunya so nala ngibereka khona mina mhathi sengibafundisile amakholegi wami, so bathi nalokho nabangibonako bangibiza kwaNdebele.
Ndizixhobisa ngosoloko ndifunda incwadi zesiXhosa okanye ndiphulaphule ithotholo ezisasaza ngesiXhosa.
Vele mina mangikhuluma ngiyencike kakhulu esizulwini sami.
Sengenza sure ukuthi ngibagqugquzela nabantwana like ukuthi bafunde kakhulu incwadi zesiSwazi, balipractice nokulikhuluma.
Mina ngithanda ukukhuluma isiNdebele khulu, mara akuselo ilimi lami reg kuhle. Mina ngimpedi but I'm a pedi. but ngiyayithanda iculture yesiNdebele.
Umbona ngiyombukele SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Namhlanje lilanga lenitshabatshaba lelimi lokubelethwa. Ilangeli litsheja indima elinywa amalimi ekuphakamiseni ukusebenzisana bekodwa nokukhambisa ilwazi nokulonda amasiko. Okuqakatheke kakhulu kusetshenziswa kwamalimi wesintu nokuwathuthukisa enkundleni zokuthindana. Sikhulumisana nosihlalo webhodi yamalimi iPansalb esifundeni seMpumalanga uDr Judas Mokoena. Nasibuya entolo.
Impumela emihla ngiyami ngiyaqhuquzeka ukubana ngifunde ngamandla nami kuze nami ngizibone sengivela la.
Bathokoziswe ngabonongorwana emnyanyeni ohayazelako abafundi abasebenze kuhle ku matric ngaphasi kwaMasipalata iThembisile Hani eMpumalanga. Indaba sekhona mbukeli kanti nazi kuphindileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook asirage nazo. Akasilinge kodwa ukufumana usihlalo webhodi yamalimi iPansalb esifundeni seMpumalanga uDr Judas Mokoena ngokugidingwa kwelanga lanamhlanje ilanga lenitshabatshaba lokubelethwa. Dr Mokoena siyakwamukela endabeni zesiNdebele ku SABC 1. Ilanga lanamhlanje nawulihlathulela umuntu wekhaya litsho ukuthini ngamalimi wesintu?
Ngiyalochisa mhathi ngilochise begodu nababukeli bendaba. Ilanga lela namhlanje liqatheke kakhulu ngombana liyasinikela ilungelo. Ngingasho ngibeke njalo ukuthi sonke sikhone ukusebenzisa amalimi wethu ngendlela esingakhona ngayo. Kanti begodu kuyasivezela ukuthi ilimi nelimi elikhulunywako iphasi lonke mazombe liqhakatheke kangangani.
Ingangani ituthuko eniyenzako ukuqinisekisa bona wonke amalimi atshejwa ngokulinganako eSouth Africa?
La sikhona thina ku province yeMpumalanga siyazama ngamandla wonke ukuthi wonke amalimi agunyaziweko ngokuya komthetho sisekelo kanti begodu nemthethomgomo yalapha eMpumalanga ukuthi akhulunywe ngokulingana. Kungakho sizama sikhulumisana namakhosi, sikhulumisana nabantu bamasondo, sikhuluma nomphakathi nje ngobubanzi ukuthi ilimi elikhona endaweni ethileko kufuze lithuthukiswe begodu likhulunywe banikazi belimi lelo.
Enkundleni zokuthindana iyabonakala iPansalb eMpumalanga?
Ikhona mhathi ibonakala kakhulu namhlanje njengoba besigidinga besinomnyanya phasi eMbombela iPansalb lapho nayo igidinga nabantwana abaphase khulu namkha abaphumelele khulu ngenkolweni begodu sigidinga amalimi ahlukeneko. Bongahleka omunye bekathina akakhulumako lapha akhuluma ilimi lakhe ubone ukuthi nangamala sihlangene nonanyana sihlukene simaSouth Africa njalo.
Dr siyakuthokoza ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Ngithokoza khuluma mbala mkhathi.
Ababelethi babafundi kuMasipalata weThembisile Hani eMpumalanga bazwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngokuphazamiseka kwemfundo ngenxa yokuhlayela kwamanzi nokunande kuqendeliswa igezi kuMasipalata lo. Ababelethi bakhulume lokhu ngesikhathi uMasipalata abambe umnyanya wokuthokozisa ngabonongorano nezipho abafundi nenkolo nemphande ezisebenze kuhle kumatric eklasini lika 2024 ngaphasi kwaMasipalata weThembisile Hani. Umnyanya lo ebe uhayazela ngobuhle bewabanjelwe ezakhini eMpumalanga. Indaba wethu Comfort Masombo usihlangazele nakumbiko.
Bathokoziswe ngehahle beliphekelelwa kwakwazela nomvumo eVillage da Villas Guest House esezakheni eMpumalanga. Ngesikhathi ngikhulu sembusweni abo principal nababelethi bagidinga abafundi abalichuma abaphume phambili kuMasipalata lo eklasini lika 2024. Umiyara kaMasipalata weThembisile Hani uLisitsha Degale uthi ngalokho babi ngokukhuthaza nokuhamselela umoya wefundo ekhambeni labo lefundo.
Lama award kula sithatha ithuba ukubonisa umphakathi wonke ukuthi labo ababonakala bazimisele ukuhambisana nevision yethu yokuthi senze iThembisile ibe a center of academic excellence bazoba nethuba lokuthi siba celebrate sibanikeze namathuba wokuthi uma bafika kuma university kube nezinto abathola ukuthi bayazithola kuMasipala ezizobanceda.
Ababelethi abebazokujamela abantu ababe kwamekeleni izipho nabonongorwana bathi nokho kunande kucindeliswa igezi nokuhlayela amanzi endaweni le phazamisa ukufunda nokufundisa.
Abantwana bethu uthole kwesinye isikhathi bathole baphuma esikolweni kuthiwa abatsha akunamanzi kuse babuye beze emakhaya bangakhona ukuthi kufunda ifunde ngalendlela leyo iyaphazamiseka negezi nayo baphazamisa khulu namaloko ikhamba abantwana uthole bafunda nzima nokumele benze ama homework igezi seyicimile
enkolweni abantwana baphatheke kuhle khulu net ngalunga indaba egezi ukuthi abantwana bakhona ukustudisha awa ifundo ingaba yihle khulu kwaNdebele abantwana bakaNdebele bazimisele siyayibona nemphumela yakhona iyakarisa.
Isekhethe ephume phambili nenkolo ezihlanu eziphume phambili zithokozisiwe nazo.
Ngikhuthazekile ngokubana udadewethu uthole imphumela emihla ngiyami ngiyacocuzeka ukubana ngifunde ngamandla nami kuze nami ngizibone sengivela la.
Ngandiko wona mnqopho omkhulu lapha kwenza ukuthi lonke ilunga lomphakathi walapha eThemsile lihlome ngefundo ifundo kube into ekhamselele kamlibe ngaphakathi komphakathi lo. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikuphakela zona ngisezakheni eMpumalanga.
Uhulumende weMpumalanga ukhombele imindeni yabantu abali-18 ababhubhele engozini ehlahlathisa umzimba eWoodspruit emvekeni ezimbili ezidluleko bona baphe uhulumende wesifunda seLimpopo isikhathi sokuqeda ngenhlahlubo zefuzo. Lokhu kuza ngemva ukuthi imindeni yalaba ababhubhileko izwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngokuriyada kwenhlahlubo zefuzo ukuze imindeni le izokubabeka.
Sekuphela imveke emibili imindeni yabantu ababhubhele engozini ilindile. Babantu abali-18 ababhubhele engozini le, ababili basesibhedlela. Hlangana nabantu abali-18 kuba labasebenzi ababunane besitolo iHoodspruit Fruit and Vegetable ekade baye emsebenzini kunye nomntazana weminyaka eli-18 ubudala obeka esikolweni. Ilanga lomngcwabo ohlanganyeleko lizokumenyezela ngemva kokukhutshwa kwemiphumela yenhlahlubo zefuzo. Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi ivikeleko nokuthintana eMpumalanga uthi usebenzisana nohulumende wesifunda seLimpopo ukugijimisa ihlelweli.
We are working very hard with our counterpart in the Limpopo. Hence you know that the result in terms of the DNA, they are not conducting within us. They are conducted in Pretoria, but we are still waiting for them. We sympathize with the community, the affected communities, that indeed we want to speed up the process so that they will bury their loved one with dignity that they deserve. However, we must indicate that we are pushing very hard with our counterpart. Indeed, as soon as the process has been completed, they are the first one to receive that information from us so that we'll be able to proceed with the burial.
Abantu abali-18 babhubhele engozini ukutshayisana kweteksi neveni kwathi ngemva kwalapho kwaqubuka umlilo eHoodspruit eLimpopo.
Ezemali iranda liqinile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Lotsha Zihlahla lilanga lokugidingwa kwelimi lebele namhlanje. Nizume nafikaphi ngapho?
Siyathokoza Cedric silotshisa umbukelo khona usekhaya mbala vele uqinisile namhlanje lilanga elikhulu lelimi lebele enakhani yeSouth Africa. Sizokuchecha ke ukuthi ilimi lesindebele lidlala yipi indima ukuthuthukisa isitshaba samaNdebele. Ngale kwalokho ungqongqoshe wamapholisa enaheni le uSenzo Mchunu ukhiphe imbalobalo zobelelesi zekota yesithathu ka-2024. Ihlangano iDemocratic Alliance lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga ifuna ukwazi ukuthi abantu laba abaqatshelwa ukuthi bazokulwisana nobelelesi ama-crime wardens lapha esifundeni seMpumalanga kuhle kuyini umsebenzi wabo ngoba batsho kaningi ubathola bahlezi ngaphasi kwemithi abanye batsho bahlezi lapho kuhlanzwa khona inkoloyi ezihlangana nezinye ke siziphetheko namhlanje sithokoza ithuba.
akube yiphela veke ephephileko umusa.